guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change an intake pipe to any diesel turbo car. So this is it's going from the airbox to the turbo, so let's go. So we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to untighten the hose clamps. There are two, one here, and then we're gonna twist this. But you can also use a 7mm socket and a ratchet to loosen these hose clamps. Let's go. We're gonna put a screwdriver here on the plastic part and we're gonna pull it up a bit. And then we're gonna twist it. Like that. So you pull the plastic clip and then you twist it. And now we're gonna remove the tension here on the hose clamp, both of them, and then we can just pull it out. Like that. And now we're gonna undo the last one. This one is broken as well, so it's not so tight at the moment. I can just pull it out like that, and then we're gonna install the new one exactly the same way. We're gonna start off by cleaning the areas where it's gonna sit, so we have to clean around the turbo. So now we're gonna put it back. So I'm gonna start by putting it like this. I'm gonna put it on everywhere, and then I'm gonna twist this thing in again. Like that, and it clicked in. So guys, we put a new hose clamp here. So we're just gonna tighten the hose clamps and the job is finished. Be sure to tighten them really well. You're gonna sit really hard on this thing. So this is the end results. It's finished, guys. Just make sure to correctly tighten the hose clamps, and then everything is fine. This specific car is a Volvo V50 1.6 diesel, but it's the same almost on every diesel car with a turbo or similar. So that's how you change a turbo hose on any diesel car. This specific model is a Volvo V50, but it's the same on almost all the Volvos and almost all the Fords. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you next time, and I hope this video helped you.